welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with her K. Hey, Christina with her K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today, we are doing pretty much an updated video. I've already done all of the wigs that you're gonna see in this video, but I wanted to do my top 3 kinky synthetic favorites right now of headband and half wigs. I did this because I feel like after we tell you guys about these wigs, sometimes we don't come back and let you know if it still is good or whatever. But I wanted to do an update, so I'm going to talk about these wigs and let y'all know why it's still my favorite, and I'm also going to let you know my thoughts. One of them that I am reviewing, I did not review, but I'll review in this video, kind of. But I'll also let you know how I feel about it because I did purchase it. We'll talk about it, okay? But anyway, before we get started, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this, and also consider hitting that subscribe button because I do drop a lot of wig reviews on this channel. I also do a lot of makeup and skincare as well. If you're interested to hear how I feel, let's go ahead and get started. Okay friends, so we're gonna go ahead and dive right into this review. I already have my edges prepped and I already put my wig cap on. I like to put a wig cap on with half wigs and headband wigs because I find that when I don't use one, my hair kind of snags with the combs. You can cut them out if you need to, but I don't like to cut them out. So the first wig that I'm going to be showing you guys is a wig that I think I sold myself on this wig. As I was out for the last couple of months, this video is just doing so good. You guys love this wig. So I ended up selling this wig initially when I first reviewed it, but then because it's doing so good, I was like, I want it back. Oh! So the wig that I'm talking about is this NEESHA H302 half wig. This is from the NEESHA Softed Natural collection and it's a half wig. I have the color number 2. So I went back and repurchased this wig after I sold it. I'm telling y'all, I sold myself. I had to realize that sometimes on my channel, because I review wigs so much, I just get in the habit of I have too much, or if I have something that looks like it, I'll just go ahead and resell it. So y'all definitely check the description box below. These won't be for sale because these are my favorites, but I do sell my wigs on my channel, so check that out. But I went ahead and repurchased this wig kind of after I bought this other wig coming up. So this first one right here, it's a half wig. You're gonna get your combs right here in the front, one in the back. I'm not gonna go too deep into all of that, but it's this nice half wig, and it's a half wig and it's really flat. So Outre has these half wigs and they're really flat. This cap construction, when I say big, head friendly, this cap is so comfortable. It is so comfortable. So it's a half wig, just so you guys know. You can check that original review out if you want. I did review the Outre NEESHA 201 in that video as well, which is like the curlier one. But kinky synthetic wigs kind of are like my go-to right now. I don't know, I'm going through a phase. I don't know, don't judge me. That's what's happening right now. All right, and you just put a headband over the half wig, or you can blend it in with your hair. Definitely check out that video, the original one that I did, if you want to blend it in. But recently I've just been wearing the half wigs as a headband wig and it works for me. So I love the length of this wig. I love the density of this wig. Originally when I reviewed it, I thought she was too thin, but I realized that with these synthetic wigs, they kind of fluff out a little bit, and I feel like this density is very natural. It's very everyday. It's not too heavy. It's not too overwhelming. So after I purchased the other wig that I'm going to talk about, I really started to appreciate this wig. I guess I should have reviewed that one first, but either way, I really do appreciate the layers in here. I appreciate the length. I appreciate the fact that it doesn't really shed. This is a go-to. This is a wig that is definitely going to be a staple in my collection as a go-to wig, hands down. If you guys like this headband, this is from a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Still Looking Good 58. I'll leave a link below to her website where you can purchase this headband, but it's super cute and it's great quality. Let's jump into the next wig. So the second wig that I'm going to review, I probably should have did this one first, but I didn't review this wig on my channel, but I did end up purchasing this wig after I saw a couple wig reviews on this wig. I originally saw this on the Hearts and Cake 90 and she raved about it, and a lot of other people did too. It's a great wig, but I'm going to tell you guys how I feel about it. This is Alpha Women in the color 1B. So as I was out on my break, like I said, I was always shopping.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
So I purchased this wig because I wanted an easy wig. I wanted a wig that I don't have to lay lace, I don't want to have to do too much, and I just wanted an easy everyday wig. So I purchased this wig, and I actually get a lot of compliments with this wig when I wear it out. This wig is just like the other one. The only difference, this is from Sensational, so your comb is going to go straight across, and then you're going to get a comb right here. This is a half wig. This is not a full headband wig. I wore this wig a couple times. I wore this wig actually like, I want to say like four times already. And I really do like this wig. This wig, compared to the NEESHA that I just reviewed, I realized that this one is definitely fuller. This one is bigger, and the NEESHA is a little bit more, it's still yucky, but it's a little bit more silkier. So I really do like this one, and it's the same exact way you put on the other one, girl. So this one is definitely fuller, and this one is definitely bigger. This is a nice everyday length. If you're looking for a fuller kinky synthetic wig, I would definitely recommend this one. But one thing I did realize with this one is she kind of sheds a little bit. It's not too bad, but she does shed. And as I wear her out, she does tend to get a little bit bigger. She kind of looks more tamed right now because I did have to go in with my hot Revlon blow dryer and kind of smooth her out, but she still works. The fact that I can still play with her, I can still run my fingers through her, I'm all for it. This wig was less than $20, and if I could still get life out of a less than $20 wig, sign me up. So I really do like this wig. So if you want something a little shorter, a little fuller, definitely consider this one. Y'all let me know if you're noticing a difference with NEESHA versus this one. Maybe you're not, maybe it's just me, but I did notice a difference, but it's not too bad. The texture on this one compared to the NEESHA, I did notice that the NEESHA is like I said, it's a little bit more silkier. This one is a little bit more kinkier, and it's definitely thicker, and it feels slightly a little bit drier, but it's not a bad dry. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about, like those old Sensational kinky textured wigs. This is not it. It definitely does have some movement, but it is a slight difference. Let's jump into the last wig. Woo, I hope y'all not getting tired yet. Work with me. We almost done. So this last one, I definitely did review this one. And again, I sold the wig because I'm a seller. And I sold the wig, but I went back and bought this wig because I really appreciated this wig after I watched my wig review. Like, who does that? Like, I watched my own wig review during my break and was like, oh, I need that wig. So I repurchased this wig, and I'm happy that I did. So the wig that I'm talking about is this one right here. This is ULA in the color number 2. This is actually a headband wig. This is from Khrissy, and this is a synthetic headband wig. They're all the same like headband wigs. The thing that I noticed with this one is that you're gonna get like a Velcro headband instead of the regular headband that we're used to, but you're gonna get the same kind of headband, girl. It's all the same. It's all the same. You're gonna get 2 combs, one right here, and one in the back. I went with a number 2 because I've been finding that since I've been rebuying all these wigs, that number 2s kind of look a little bit more natural in the natural color. This one that I'm looking at now kind of does look a little bit more brown compared to these in a number 2. I mean, the color definitely is a little bit different. So this one does look a little bit more brown. Actually, it's kind of the same. I don't know. So this is the NEESHA in a number 2, and this is the Khrissy in a number 2. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I think it's kind of, no. I don't know, but this is definitely the number 2 in the Khrissy. So all number 2s are not created equal, so it is what it is. Let's go ahead and put this one on. Again, if you guys want to see a full thorough review on all of these wigs, I'll leave links below or in the cards and go from there. So this one right here, I don't know why nobody else really reviewed this wig in the wig streets. This wig is beautiful. The texture is gorgeous. This wig is a banger. So if I would repurchase this one, I definitely probably would consider a 1B because the 1B would match my natural color better. All right, so this is this one on my head. It's actually really long. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a headband on. I got these from Amazon. I'll leave a link below. But you know, we need to look a little summertime ready. So if you guys haven't watched that review, which you probably should, but I'll show you guys. This one is actually really long. But I like this one. The reason that I got this one back again is because I feel like long wigs, I like long wigs. Sometimes it feels more glam to me, more kind of spicy. If you're not feeling these bows too, you could kind of tuck them in, or you could take it off. I didn't even know that. Those bows come off. Yeah. Yeah, girl. Yeah. I love the texture on this one. It's super soft. This one compared to the other one, those feel a little bit more Kanekalon-ish synthetic. Keep in mind, these are all synthetic wigs. This one feels more like the premium fiber braiding hair. Is definitely softer, but I do like this one. I feel like she's a banger. She's more like kind of going out kinky synthetic. I do have a kinky textured wig that I did review on this channel also. It was from Love Me Hair. Check that out right here if you guys are interested in a human hair option. But if you're looking for synthetic, if you're looking for a budget, these are it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these wigs. These are definitely my faves, and I'm going to continue to buy them. Do you have any of these? Did you buy any of them? Because I told you to, because I told myself to buy the wig, and then I bought the wig again. So also, y'all let me know if y'all like videos like this where I kind of update, or, you know, I don't know. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see in the comments as well. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.